Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a knock sensor in a Kia Optima. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new knock sensor, a good wrench set, and a torque wrench. Safety is key, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. Next, you'll need to locate the knock sensor itself, which is usually found on the engine block, often beneath the intake manifold. Getting prepared properly makes the whole process much smoother. Once you've located the sensor, the next step is to gain clear access. This might involve carefully removing some components, like parts of the intake manifold or other hoses that are in your way. Take your time and keep track of any fasteners. Then, using the correct size socket or wrench, carefully loosen the old knock sensor. Don't forget to disconnect its electrical connector before you fully unscrew it. Patience here prevents accidental damage to surrounding parts. With the old sensor loosened and its connector detached, you can now gently remove it from the engine block. Be careful not to drop it or damage the threads. Now, take your new knock sensor and carefully thread it into the mounting hole by hand. This ensures you don't cross-thread it. Once it's hand-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten it to the manufacturer's exact specifications. This critical step ensures proper function and prevents future issues. After the new sensor is securely in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reconnect any components you removed, ensuring all hoses and wires are properly attached. Don't forget to reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear any diagnostic trouble codes that might have been stored in your vehicle's computer. This ensures your engine control unit recognizes the new sensor. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.